Hi, this is Diana Keuilian with the Gabriel Method. Now, today I want to give you a healthy recipe for French fries. Now, if your kids are like mine, they love French fries. And it doesn't help that every restaurant you go to, the side for the kids' meal is French fries. Now, these fries, they're deep fried in this awful oil, and it's made of white potatoes. It's just not a healthy thing for kids to eat. But kids love French fries. So today I'm going to show you how to bake carrots into French fries. It's just a fun snack that the kids love. Now this recipe calls for olive oil. Olive oil is a great healthy fat to cook with. So when you're selecting your olive oil, let's look for cold pressed extra virgin because this is the least processed of olive oils. Now when you're selecting your produce, in this recipe your carrots, look for organic carrots. And if you can, try to find some that have been locally grown.
Here's what you need: 4 large organic carrots, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1/4 teaspoon of sweet paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt. Preheat the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Cut the carrots in half and then in half again, and slice into thin French fry-like pieces. In a medium bowl, toss the carrots with the olive oil and spices. Spread over the prepared pan and bake for 20 minutes until browned.